know, all the indicators and stuff on. Yeah. Brakes, yeah. Left hand. Left indicator. Yeah. Spot on. And then from the front they're all working, and your headlights on and all in it. Yeah. High beam. Yeah. Weird bulb, isn't it? All multicoloured. Really weird. Then that switch down the bottom's the spots. That switch underneath.
Yeah.
See it? There's like a switch somewhere, isn't there? You see it? Somewhere under there. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Now that's working fine. Then you want to just stick the indicators on. That's bright. Yeah, bang on. Perfect, yeah. You got compressor. Which one is it? That one, isn't it? Yeah. See it lifting up. That's actually dropping it, sorry. So that's down. That's back up. You can see it lifting up. You see the gauge under here. Without the stretch tank, obviously you'd be able to see more. Sounds spot on, doesn't it? To protect all the white. So, clean the carb out a bit. You know, cables are now sorted as well. Go and bang on. So, there you go, look, more after him. See him, licking all the bloody... Oh, look at a crow after him. See him, chasing him. But hijinks at the licking the crow's food. Sounds lovely, real nice bike now. As you can see, this air suspension just blowing them up and down, very cool. And obviously for more weight, just put some more air in. So, Softail done cool. Mike Custom Cruisers UK, 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com. Thank you.